September 15th, 2024, we headed up to the Bighorn Mountains in northern Wyoming to see if there was any foliage yet, also in hopes of finding wildlife. While we did not find any wildlife on this trip, we did see some foliage was starting to turn. Some of the aspen trees are starting to turn yellow. Temperatures are still 90 degrees down in the valleys, but it was a cool and comfortable 70 up in the mountains. And evening temperatures in the valleys have been running in the 40s or low 50s, and again, quite a bit cooler in the mountains. So looks like pretty quick we'll be getting some good color in the mountains. After visiting the mountains, we headed up to the Thunder Basin National Grassland in northeast Wyoming, not too far from the Montana border, and found a nice spot there to sit and enjoy some peace and quiet and wait for the sun to set. Melanie and I both took turns shooting some sunset and golden hour photos while we were up in the grasslands. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it's a little shorter and different than some of the ones we put out a lot. We thought you might enjoy seeing these scenes from around Wyoming in September as the colors are just starting to turn for the fall.